Hey everybody, it is Travis Holzem with Food Forest Abundance, Minnesota in Bloomington, and we are just finishing up this job. It's taken 3 days, or actually it took 5, but we weren't here for 2 of those because we got held up the snow day, and then we had a reschedule on our soil delivery, so we missed 2 days out of that. But it went great, and I'm going to turn you around. We're just shoveling up the last wheelbarrow full of mulch, and then it's going to get spread, and we are finished. Here we go. We had soil at the end of the driveway. The entire driveway was full of soil and mulch yesterday. Now it's all gone in the back, and this is all extra, so we're just spreading it around the rest of the house as a little bonus, right? But we're going to go to the backyard and show you what we got. And we are just about to the backyard. All right, here we are. And we got all the mulch spread, all the trees in the ground. We got our blueberry box with some blueberries. It's a 12 foot by 2 foot by 12 inches high garden box with ground treated wood. In the back we have a couple of service berries. I don't know if you can see them. There and there. And then in the back there's some black-eyed Susans back there. Some strawberries back there. We got a pear tree, cherry tree, pear tree. We got a bunch of blue or purple asters, pink asters here. We got blue asters. We got black-eyed Susans in here. We got common milkweed, a couple apple trees, and then let's go over to this side. Apple trees in the middle here with we got some echinacea in the back there, and there's some comfrey that was seeded, so that's going to come up next spring. And in the middle of this whole thing, we've seeded white and pink clover for a ground cover in here. And here we got echinacea or anise hyssop, and then there's some strawberries in the back, and we have milkweed and echinacea in there also. Then 4 service berries, and we got ourselves a honeyberry, and then this is the raspberry bed. So we put them in a bed like this to try to contain them better versus them just getting away from them and taking everything over. But so we'll see. That's also 12 by 2 feet by 12 inches high. And that is what I have before and after pictures on my website soon, and some before and after shots, videos that I'll make from my GoPro, and I'll have them up. So gonna try to get one more job in this fall in Hastings. Hopefully next week we'll get started on that, and we'll be able to finish that. So that's what we're looking at. And if you're wondering why I have flags in here, it is because they are basically going in the ground dormant, and they were cut down. So the stems have been cut, and when we put the mulch over them, I wanted them to be able to know where they were. so I put flags in. But anyway,
It's all around there. He got the stuff on the other side of the fence.
we are
That's it.
finished. Looks great. Some of this mulch looks really dirty because it's sitting in the driveway for a few days, but once it rains, it will wash all that soil off of there and it'll look nice and woody. But there's a lot of organic material in this mulch. It's going to make for some amazing soil. And the garden soil mix that was delivered was some of the best I've seen around here in the past couple of years. It was really, really good soil and so easy to work with. It wasn't heavy and it was just very, very light. Had a great compost mix in it, and I will be using them every time I can from now on. So here we go.
That's not what she said.
So if you want to turn a small portion of your backyard into a regenerative, self-sustaining, edible landscape or food forest, call me or give me a shout, Travis at foodforestabundance.com, or you can go to my website at foodforestabundancemn.com and we can design your yard and get ready for spring. Unless you're in a hurry, we can try to get you in before Thanksgiving. That's probably have another 2 weeks tops of working outside here. But anyway, that's that, man. We are wrapping this up, and amazing clients made cupcakes for me and Alex, and made us lunch yesterday, and you can't ask for better clients when everybody's on the same page and everybody is friendly, and it just makes it so easy to work with clients that are nice and not trying to run your shit, if you know what I mean. But anyway, I had to recently kick a client to the curb before I even started the project because they had no idea what they were doing, and that's why they hired me. But she already knew too much of what she was doing, if you know what I mean. So the relationship took a turn for the worse, and then just turned out to be a terrible situation. So I had to make a decision to terminate the client, even though I wasted actually more like 3 months of my business's time and revenue on trying to satisfy that client to even get to a starting point. But that was that. I want to celebrate this client, Erica Johnson, amazing, and I cannot wait to come back in the spring and finish this up with some more in the front yard, and we're going to do some raised beds over on the other side over there. But anyway, grow food, not lawns, my friends. Have an amazing day. See ya.